When you plan to buy a car, there are so many options: hatchback, sedans, MPVs, SUVs. But what about electric vehicles, especially the two-wheelers? Well, market is flooded with electric scooters. But today I have something which is interesting and quirky. It's more of an electric bicycle, less of an electric scooter. Rather, the company likes to call it a mini electric scooter. This is launched at 42,000 rupees ex showroom. Well, the company is Gemopai and the model is Miso. We'll talk more about it today. I am Anirban and you are watching Times of India. The design is very simple, I would say, and it's very neat to the eyes. Well, few may consider this to be a scooter for children, but I would say the design is compact and pretty well built from my first ride experience. So Miso rides on telescopic front forks, and at the rear you have coil suspensions. Ride quality, well, it's just about there. The scooter can race up to a speed of 30-35 kilometers an hour, and the ride quality is slightly on the stiffer side. So if you are hitting a bump on speeds around 30 kmph, you are sure to find some back braking strain. But that said, the seat is a single piece unit and it's very comfortable to sit on. In fact, this startup calls Miso a social distancing scooter. Why exactly? Well, the scooter can hold on to one person, and the optional luggage space, a pannier, is provided at the rear of the scooter. So in case you are moving around with some luggage, it will hold on to it. The floorboard area is sufficiently large. Well, under the floorboard you have the battery space. The battery takes around 2 hours to full charge, and it's replaceable in nature. So what about the speed? The speed is around 30 kilometers an hour top speed, and it delivers around 70 kilometers against full charge. Well, that's claimed. In our real life test, we found around 55 to 60 kilometers if you are in a full throttle mode. So many of you must be wondering, where does this scooter stand at this point in time? Well, with health issues being primary focus these days, an electric scooter of this kind makes life a lot easier in urban landscape, especially for the healthcare workers or delivery guys, or even food aggregators. For them, when they are moving around a span of 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers, it does make a lot of sense, especially because running cost is pretty low. Well, it's next to nothing, and it's a one-time investment. On top of that, you don't even require a license to ride this one. So if I sum up things, there are few cons about this scooter. Surely people may find it a little hard to accept this overall design, but its simplicity will attract others as well. In terms of the electronics, well, it just gets a LED headlight up front. The dash is small, compact. It just shows the amount of charge left, and you have side indicators. Well, I would have surely liked mirrors to see what's behind you, and probably a little bit more space to keep your feet would have been welcome as well. Fit and finish is just there. It's decent, well built. Most parts are finished with metal. There are some bit of plastics here and there. So the Gemopai Miso is actually economical. On top of that, it does make a lot of sense in times of COVID, when personal mobility space everywhere across the country will be of paramount importance. That was a launch roundup from our side. Gemopai also has a few scooters in their lineup, but this is a unique and interesting model from their end. Gemopai Miso is launched at 42,000 X showroom, and we will keep an eye on the market, how this product does and how others come into picture with similar products. That's all we have for you from the launch of Gemopai Miso. Thanks for watching Times of India. Stay tuned for further news and updates.